Okay, today you're going to hike with me to Devil's Hall in Guadalupe National Park in western Texas. Don't be distracted by some caves you'll see along the way on the trail. This is your final destination. A bit rocky and a lot of steps built into the trail, but not bad so far. So for much of this hike, we're climbing up the creek wash, which is dry right now, but have the alert to the weather and any potential flash flooding if you are choosing to go up to Devil's Hall. When you reach Devil's Hall, you'll find a marker. It's legible. I'm gonna pass through the hallway and see what's on the other side. All right, heading back down now. Should be mostly downhill on the return. I wanted to point out that the campground does have handicap accessible camping spaces.